There is a lengthy procedure to process wood. A step many are familiar with is the splitting of logs. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to be covering a number of great wood splitting machines. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe. First up, we have the Bell 8000 series. Bell's Machining, a Canadian company, introduced this circular saw Firewood processor. The machine can process logs with a max diameter of 27 inches and a length of up to 30 feet. The 60-inch large circular blade cuts the log into pieces, which are then passed through fixed blades hydraulically. The conveyor belt takes these wood pieces to a splitter cylinder. The splitter filters out unnecessary wood fragments. These machines feature a 127 horsepower Cat diesel engine and can produce 4 full cords of hardwood per hour. Next, we have the Wallenstein WX Log Splitters. These log splitters are very popular and are the creation of Wallenstein Outdoor Power Equipment, a company that specializes in wood processing machines. They can be powered by gasoline engines or PTO shafts on tractors. They come in a wide variety of wedge heights, splitting forces, and orientations. Depending on the model, they can cut logs of varying lengths and diameters. In addition to the standard log lifters and log tables, these units also come with an automated wedge return and an extended valve. In short, the Wallenstein WX Log Splitters are built to last and perform well. POSCH Leibnitz is an Austrian firm that specializes in firewood processing gear. One of its products is the poly-splitting machine. To split logs, the hydraulic mechanism of this log splitter exerts a force of 8 tons. It is capable of splitting hardwood that is normally difficult to split using traditional tools. The machine incorporates an auto-speed mechanism that automatically adapts the log feed speed to the needed splitting force, saving time and energy. It can be run by a gasoline engine, a 230-volt or 400-volt electric motor, or the PTO shaft of a tractor. It has a split stroke that can be adjusted to prevent wasteful empty strokes. Also, the user has the option of using a variety of splitting wedges, each of which can be swapped out in seconds and without the need for any additional equipment. Next, we have the Pezzolato Genius Wedge. It's a wedge that can be used to split logs into smaller uniform pieces with little effort. It is designed by Pezzolato, a manufacturer of equipment for processing firewood. The Genius Wedge is available either as a complete unit with Pezzolato machinery or as a standalone splitting station. With its cross-shaped fixed sector and square-shaped movable sector, it evenly distributes logs of varying diameters. This results in less wasted time and energy, as well as fewer power splits. Up next, we have the Pezzolato TLA 15E TB900. It consists of 2 machines, a firewood disc processor with a separate wood splitter, and an automated vertical splitting system. The TLA 15 firewood disc processor can convert random lengths and diameters of wood into uniformly sized logs. The logs are then moved to the wood splitter, the TB900, which can divide them with a splitting force of 40 tons into smaller pieces. Electronic controls allow for adjusting the final wood size. An electric motor or the PTO shaft of a tractor can power the device. As a result of its high output capacity, it can process up to 20 cubic meters of firewood each hour. Next, we have the Pinosa CPE 1200 V01. It's a firewood processing plant that can handle wood of various thicknesses and lengths. Only one person needs to operate it. It takes power from a diesel engine and can process wood with a max diameter of 480 millimeters and a max length of 10 meters. Logs are fed automatically onto the cutting disc and subsequently into the splitting unit, thanks to the machine's self-loading technology. The 45-ton splitting equipment can make firewood blocks of different sizes. The machine is portable, small, and can be driven on public highways. The Palax C750 is up next. This wood chipper is the creation of a Finnish company called Palax. The tool is versatile enough to cut and split lumber of varying sizes. The machine is driven either by an electric motor or the PTO shaft of a tractor. The blade's length of 750 millimeters allows it to slice through logs as wide as 28 centimeters. In addition, its quick motion valve can be set to operate automatically, further increasing its efficiency. Depending on the size of the splitting blade, 2/4 or 2/6, the machine can create firewood chunks of varying sizes. Moreover, the machine is equipped with an in-feed conveyor and an out-feed conveyor to keep the wood moving. MAHOE Sawmills is a New Zealand-based manufacturer of sawmills and firewood processors. Whoppa Choppa is a top-tier firewood processor made by this company. It can efficiently chop and split enormous wood into manageable, homogeneous pieces. The wood rings are fed through the splitter knife, which use 4-side cutters to chop them into pieces. Upon cutting, the wood is sent to the outfeed elevator. Logs with a diameter of 1.2 meters or more can be processed with this machine. It has a 76-ton splitting force and a Dutch diesel industrial 48 horsepower engine. With the machine's wireless remote, the user can control it from a safe distance. It also has a safety system and a trailer equipped with hydraulic brakes. Bell's Super Log Splitter is up next. It's a powerful and impressive log splitter, capable of effortlessly chopping through even the largest and hardest logs. Because of its exceptional 76-ton splitting power and flexible 4-way splitting wedge, it can split wood into blocks of varying sizes for use as fuel. It can be used in conjunction with a firewood processor for increased efficiency, or it can function independently for more customization. It incorporates a wireless remote control that enables users to safely and comfortably split logs from a distance. Regardless of the diameter or length of the wood, this machine is capable of producing firewood on a commercial scale. Last but not least, we have the Pezzolato TM1200 and TB900. It is a combination of two machines, a chain-driven firewood disc processor and an automated vertical splitting system. The TM1200 firewood disc processor can split logs up to 6 meters in length and 1200 millimeters in diameter. The logs are moved to the TB900 splitting unit, which uses 40 tons of force to break the logs down. The electronic controls allow for adjusting the final wood size. A 22 kilowatt electric motor or the PTO shaft of a tractor are both suitable for powering the device. It can easily handle logs with a wide diameter and has a high output capacity. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.